Gap. Tip number 2, how do we present the gap in a way that the customer completely understands it? And how do we get around people say, well, I don't really think I need gap, I have $10,000 down. In a lot of scenarios, people are gonna have a chunk of money down, but they probably still qualify for gap. So we need to double check our callbacks, and even though they have $10,000 down on a $50,000 vehicle, they might still be under or above 70%, 80%, depending on the lender, LTV, so that way we can actually have gap on the vehicle, because I remember a couple of times, customer would put a big chunk of money down, I didn't think they need gap, I'd lightly go over it, they would decline it, and then something would happen where they would be in a total loss in a couple years, and the market had flipped. And at that point, they owed money. Even though they put a big chunk down, the market had flipped and they weren't in as good of a position as what they had thought. So never overthink and never think for the customer. Let's make sure that we double check, is the LTV in line? And if you're able to sell it, they need it.